Hello, and welcome to a short installation video of Coda Package 8. Construct a solid frame wall and build a curb around the outer part of the pan. Install backer board on the wall. Ensure the clamp drain is properly installed. Pre-pitch the pan. Install waterproofing over the pre-pitch, the curb, and at least 6 inches to 12 inches up the wall. Install the top part of the clamp drain. Screw in the male elbow in the direction of the new drain placement. Dry assemble Coda. If necessary, you can cut the 18-inch extension pipe for new drain placement. Glue parts of the Coda assembly. Thin set Coda into place. For best adhesion, apply thin set over the top of the assembly as well. If necessary, cut the finished drain threading to sit flush with the finished tile. Install dry pack mud in the pan. Finish with tiling and grout. Thank you for watching our short installation video of Coda Package A. Please be sure to check out our Package B installation video and our website at codaus.com.